No receipt. Okay. Shh, Mason. Did you make that by yourself? What is it? How you say it?
Cubo.
In Espanol. Okay. Did you make that up?
No.
Miss Martha's taught you?
Yeah, are you sure?
I'm gonna double check. I believe you though. You used to build things with Miss Martha's and Miss Yolanda too, huh?
Oh my god.
That might be a good one, like about emotions, emotional regulation.
I see a book. I see a ton of book.
So right now you have the women's in basketball, right? Women in basketball. You hungry, baby? We're gonna go eat some lunch. Okay, so we're gonna go. Alright guys, so here are our picks for the week. Aubrey has been reading this series for her chapter books lately. She chose this one and I thought it would be good. I don't know what made her choose it, but it seems like an emotions book. This was Aislin's pick for the week. I suggested it though. This was a suggestion from Mommy too. I thought it was cute for the two of them to read. This was Mommy's pick for the week. I'm hoping that it gives a good math lesson. And of course, Mommy chose this one because Easter is approaching. And yeah, so that's our quick vlog. We can give book reviews if needed. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It means so much and it helps our channel out a lot. See you next time.